Alright guys, so this is it. Car runs and drives. Feels phenomenal. I took some clips of it. I apologize for my wheels and car being really dirty, but I just didn't have patience or time to clean it yet. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Sick when it flies by. Welcome back. Right now I already started working on the E46 a little bit. I put O2 sensors in and my exhaust doesn't fit. I don't know what kind of setup the guy had that I bought exhaust from, but it was hitting my transmission. I hammered it, and then the V-bend clamps thingy, they wouldn't work because they wouldn't line up. So I just chopped it. I'm gonna have an exhaust shop weld it for me and make it nice. Underneath, I have both O2 sensors right there going in there, and then I just have basically, you know, just a cat back, but without back. I don't know. And I have this thing here just to plug the hole because I couldn't find a proper plug. He had extra one for some reason, but right now put it back on the ground and start it up, let it run for a while, make sure my coolant temp's looking good. Really dead. Oh, also before I started, I guess I wanted to check coolant quick. It doesn't seem to leak, which is great. Alright. Let's try this again. Alright, so it's been like hours, but I figured my coolant fan wasn't kicking in and I figured out why. But I mean, I didn't figure out why, but I found a solution. So the BMW fan comes with this little thing. It's like, I guess, controller for the speed and stuff. It has 3 wires, power, ground, and signal. So took it off. I'm sorry for my white zip ties. I couldn't find my black ones, so I put the white ones on for now. But basically I wait straight to white and black, which is black is my ground, white is my power. Black is constantly grounded, always grounded. This one goes to this rat's nest. Basically goes to this. Sorry, I need to clean it up yet. but it goes to my relay, and when I turn the key, signal goes to this white wire, flips the relay, sends the power to my fan. So my fan is constantly running if the car is running, and if the car is off, fan shuts off. That's the solution I found, quick and easy. Just need to install it right here like this. Drove car a little bit around, turned car off, talked to my wife a little bit, and then I went to start the car and it wouldn't start. It just cranks and cranks and cranks, and then I realized my fuel pump's not priming. So I had it already planned to do anyway, so I decided to do it. It's really hot still, but that's the old one, and I have a bigger one. I forgot exactly the size I bought, but it's Marlboro. And basically this thing should be plenty to push enough fuel through the CTSV engine. It car's literally over there just sitting, you can't even see, but I put it in, almost done assembling. It's all assembled, chilling in there. I think how it's supposed to be. Maybe sockets backwards. Nah, it's also this. Anyway, I'm gonna go quickly drop it in and hopefully it will start. So fuel pump worked, the other one took a dump. For the wind, by the way, you know, just having fun with LS and E46 on gravel, just because it's so easy to whip it. That's so sick! Yeah! Now working on changing my filter. I don't know if I mentioned, I have a higher pressure, I don't remember exactly the number, but I have a you know, bigger fuel pump in the car, and now I'm installing this C5 Corvette filter. It's a filter and regulator at the same time, so this will give me a perfect amount of pressure to go into my fuel rails. I just, you know, bought some fittings, some hose, and I'm gonna adapt it into OEM BMW lines. So I'm gonna go and quickly install it. So that's how it looks, coming from BMW side into Corvette filter and into my engine. A couple days later, I bought this little thing. It's like heat protection. It's really high quality. I bought it from a place I used to work at, so they hooked me up. I installed all of them except this one right here. I'm gonna quickly put it in. All right, I have piping coming in the mail and the filter, so I'm gonna rock this for now. It works. Car works, drives fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.